Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be making a piston keyring, or well, I guess it could be a keychain. I was given this little two-stroke Weedeater engine. I'm going to take out the connecting rod and the piston out of this thing, and I'll probably make a cool little keychain. I mean, there's something that could be salvaged from this. Take off this piston here, and here we go. Now let's see what we'll come up with. Alright, so I finally finished with the little piston here and connecting rod. So what I went ahead and did was I had to remove everything, including the piston, the wrist pin, and the connecting rod. What I did was I gave it a semi-polish, I guess I could say. I really didn't want to get like a mirror finish on it anyways. Kind of polished the sides there. And I kind of made a little mistake here on this side. So as I was punching out the wrist pin, I actually broke a piece of the skirt here. What I did was, because I had to round out the corners anyways, I came in with a Dremel and I kind of shaped that out. It's alright. I guess it looks nice. I like it. I like the way it came out. I mean, the connecting rod came out pretty nice too. I really didn't want to polish it, but I figured since the piston is, and I couldn't really get on the inside there to polish it. Well, I guess polishing the connecting rod made a slight difference, so I'll go ahead and leave it there. Yeah, that's the, I guess, keychain ornament, if you want to call it that. I have no idea what I'm gonna, or what key I'm gonna put this on. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.